Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you of the Mothca iPhone 15 Pro Matte Glass Screen and Lens Protector Pack. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Mothca Matte Glass Screen and Lens Protector Pack? This product includes two matte glass screen protectors specifically designed for the iPhone 15 Pro, which has a 6.1-inch display, and two camera lens protectors. These protectors are crafted from tempered glass, ensuring that your devices remain safe from scratches and other potential damage, all while maintaining clarity and touch sensitivity. Let's dive into some of the most important features of this product. First off, the screen protectors boast a 9H hardness rating. This means they are highly resistant to scratches and impacts, providing robust protection for your phone. Unlike some lower quality matte protectors that sacrifice clarity for a matte finish, Mothca ensures that you won't have to compromise on display quality. The matte surface is designed to be HD clear, meaning that you can enjoy vibrant colors and sharp images without any distortion. Another fantastic feature is the smooth as silk touch feeling. The matte finish is engineered to resist dirt, sweat, and fingerprints effectively. This means that even if your hands are a bit sweaty or you've just finished a workout, you can still operate your phone seamlessly. Whether you're flicking through social media or playing games, you'll appreciate the reduced friction and enhanced responsiveness. Next up is the anti-glare technology. The Mothca Matte Screen Protector uses the same technology found in e-reader screens, which significantly reduces glare. This is especially useful for outdoor usage or in bright lighting conditions, allowing you to read and interact with your phone without any distracting reflections getting in the way. Additionally, Mothca goes beyond standard design with their edge polishing. The edges of the screen protector are crafted to offer a smooth touch feeling, exceeding the typical 2.5D round edge design. This makes the protector not only more comfortable to use but also enhances durability, ensuring that it's less likely to break under pressure. Now, let's talk about the camera lens protectors. These are made from high-definition tempered glass with a 9H hardness rating as well. They effectively protect the raised camera cluster on your iPhone 15 Pro without compromising image quality. You can take photos and videos with confidence, knowing that your lens is well protected from scratches and smudges. So, who is this product suitable for? If you are someone who values the pristine condition of your device, whether you're a busy professional, a student, or an active individual who frequently uses your iPhone in various environments, this pack is ideal for you. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their phone looking new while enjoying all the benefits of a matte finish. In practical use cases, consider how the anti-glare feature comes in handy during outdoor activities or bright settings. If you're a gamer, the silk-like touch and sweat resistance will elevate your gaming experience, allowing for quick and smooth interactions. And if you're someone who likes taking photos, the camera lens protectors ensure that your images remain crisp and clear without any unwanted obstructions. In summary, the Mothca Matte Glass Screen and Lens Protector Pack for the iPhone 15 Pro offers impressive protection, a sleek design, and user-friendly features that make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to safeguard their device. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.